guys, Tyher120 here. Welcome back to another Tech Tuesdays unboxing video. Today, I have a long-awaited purchase, the Galaxy Buds Pro, which will be replacing my old original Galaxy Buds. I had these for like 3 years, so I'm gonna just show you how it looks after I open this. So this came out whenever the Galaxy S21 came out. This one has two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise cancellation, 5 to 18 hours of playtime, and IPX7 water resistant. It's Bluetooth, sound by AKG, you already know. So let's open this up and see what's in it. I have cut the box open. Let's see what comes out. Oof! Oh my goodness. That was not supposed to happen. Alright, here's the buds. In this box, I'm sure it comes with the interchangeable tips. It's pretty hefty in weight. Let's see. Oh, that's new. Okay. It comes with the charging cord and interchangeable tips. USB Type-C, the USB-A. It's pretty neat. Let me see if I could get the instruction booklet out and see what's in here. There it is. Come on, let's see. It's in here. Quick start guide. All the good jazz. Your device. Let's see. Your device, earbuds, charging case. The whole shebang. But enough about all this, terms and conditions, everything else. The box is empty after that, so you have the accessories. And here's the headphones itself. Mine looks a bit scuffed. You probably don't notice, but a little bit over here looks a bit scuffed. Other than that, it looks nice. It reminds me of the color of this one with the rainbow effect. So this is the standard Galaxy Buds. This is not the Plus. This is not the Pros. This is just the regular Galaxy Buds. I got it whenever I got my Galaxy S10 Plus. So weight wise, it feels pretty hefty. Weight wise with this one, much lighter. It feels much lighter to me. So I'm gonna switch over to my Galaxy A51. I don't recall making a video of this, but I'm gonna go through the setup process with this phone that I'm currently using, which is my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And I'm gonna show you the setup process. You've seen it before, but I'm gonna show you again. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I am on my A51. You can see the quality dropped. Those who haven't seen how my newest phone looks, I have the D-Brand skin from D-Brands and Jerry Rig Everything. Zach Jerry Rig, no sponsor here. So if you would like one, you can pick one up at D-Brands. So what I'm about to do is just open this up, and I should get an alert on my phone. Let's see what happens. Or both. But, ooh, that looks nice. Oh, there it is. A new device has been detected. Connect. Okay. All right. So far, so good. I'm gonna click Galaxy Wearable, Galaxy Buds. Nah. Add new device, Buds Pro. As you can see, all your selections here. There you go. This is much faster than with my watch. No. Sure. There it goes. Ooh, that's a whole new setup screen. I'm gonna do a little test and I'm gonna show you, you know, my experience of the sound. Oh, there's an update. I don't care what it is. If any device, new, old, it has a software update, update it. This is the version number and everything. What's new, the operating concept has been changed when the user wears one earbud. Improved active noise cancelling function, improved ambient sound function, and improved system stability and reliability. Oh my, I'm sorry about that. I shall return once the update is complete. Alright, the Galaxy Buds Pros has completed its update. This is how everything looks. Check out tips to learn more about what your earbuds can do. Let's go. How to wear your earbuds. And it shows you. Touch controls, tap to play, double tap, play next track, answer or end calls, triple tap, previous, user's choice setting, decline calls, etc. Pairing with a phone or tablet if you already have. Oh, this is neat, but I don't have a tablet. I do want the Tab S7, but I do not have that. Voice detect. I'm gonna fiddle around through all these features once I get it completely set up. And these are my old ones. I like this silver on here. It reminds me of one of the Daft Punk helmets. Dang, it's so sad that Daft Punk is gone, but they were pretty dope. But yes, so let's do a little quick sound review. I'm just gonna put in my ears, and give off my verbal review of if I say these are better than these, or if I prefer my older one than the new ones. So let's see. All right. Let me see. This is. Oops! I just closed it. This is left. It's pretty big. Oh, it's pretty big. Let me see. Okay. I might have to change the tips. I did not change the tips yet. Here's the other one. These things are big. These things are big. Alright. They're in. Alright. I can hear myself. I just turn. Oh God, I can't. Everything. You could really hear the background noise a lot louder than compared to um the OG Galaxy Buds. I'm gonna hold it. Oh my. It's so quiet. It's like, let's see if I can hear my fish tank. Very, 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 very faintly. Wow. This is. Let me try it again. It's off. Now, with these ones, with me hearing my voice, whenever it sounds completely off, um, you can clearly. It sounds like I can still hear my voice from the microphone. I can't explain it, but it sounds much different than with these ones. It's much more noticeable, and whenever the ambient mode is off or on, whenever you can hear everything, it's so much more amplified than with these ones. So, yeah. But I want to see the sound quality. So, let's test that out. So, I'm gonna play Get Up by T-Pain. I love that song. So, let's see how much bass or whatever. I didn't do any setting changes with it. I haven't done anything. So, let's see. I'm playing it right now. Oh. I'm gonna try with the ambient mode, I believe, off. I still can't hear anything. This is. That's pretty. That's that's really good. I like the bass. Like I said, I didn't change any settings. The bass is really, really good. Let me see if I can find one more song. Shoot. Um. Let me see. All right, I found another song. Let's see if this one is good. Ooh. I can hear everything from the singing very clearly. Oh yeah. Yeah. These headphones are pretty legit, you know, compared to these ones. Um Rating 1 to 5, I'll give him a 5. I like it. I really do like it. Uh it was time for an upgrade. I had these headphones for I don't know how many years, like 2 years. It was time for an upgrade. So yeah. Would I recommend you purchasing these? Uh, if you're in a budget for them, yes, I would. Especially if you had these ones or a cheaper branded one for a long time or whatever. ready for an upgrade, I would recommend it. I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, so this is my little unboxing of my old, of my new Galaxy Buds Pro with the comparison with the standard OG Galaxy Buds. I really hope you all liked my video. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. To everyone, 20 Peace.